Welcome to our channel. Removing unwanted objects from photos in Photoshop using content-aware fill is one of the most powerful editing techniques available. Follow these steps to clean up your images professionally. Step 1. Open Adobe Photoshop and load the image containing the object you want to remove. Use File menu and select Open, then navigate to your photo. Step 2. Select the Lasso tool, Polygonal Lasso tool, or Quick Selection tool from the toolbar on the left side. Choose the tool that best fits the shape of the object you're removing. Step 3. Carefully trace around the object you want to remove. Create a selection that closely follows the object's outline. Include a small margin around the edges for better blending. Step 4. Go to the Edit menu at the top and select Content Aware Fill from the drop-down menu. A new workspace will open with preview options. Step 5. In the Content Aware Fill workspace, Photoshop automatically suggests areas to use as fill source. Adjust the sampling area if needed by painting over regions you want to include or exclude. Step 6. Review the preview on the right side to see how the fill will look. Adjust the fill settings like color adaptation and rotation adaptation for better results. Step 7. When satisfied with the preview, click OK to apply the changes. The object will be removed and the area filled seamlessly with surrounding content. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.